This World War II escape and evasion tactical multi-tool, absolutely beautiful. It's got a little indent there for the secondary loop to hold the handle, so it creates a nice grip when using any of the knives. You've got a straight blade, polished, and then you've got saw blades. You've got 3 of them. You can see they're even heat finished, heat treated, to give them hardening along the serration areas to make sure that they work properly as and when. The front here opens up quite a fair amount. That's for cutting through wires, barbed wire, razor wire and electrified wire once the generator has been taken down. It's got patina on it. It is World War II era. This was used by the SAS before they were officially SAS. It has been oiled. There is rust in the oil. I will not clean this. You can see on the blade it reads Joseph Rogers, and then it reads to His Majesty Sheffield, England. It has a 6 it has an asterisk, and then it has a Maltese cross. Very nice. The bluing, that's in really good condition. Most of these, they don't have the same level of bluing. Most of these, it's gotten rubbed, or often the ends of the blades, they've gotten damaged. Look how straight these blades are. This is basically pristine. Other than that rusty patina in the joints, that can easily be cleaned. This thing's basically new. This thing, theoretically, good to go and good for use in escape and evasion, but I would not recommend it. This thing is a nice relic. Rather desirable and desired piece. Just look at that. Proper Sheffield steel. Properly heat treated. Nice and clean metal. Nice and clean bluing. Beautiful piece.